Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So I am very happy because today I will be unboxing some PR packages. Honestly, I did open all of it just to make the video short, not long one. Guys, I am super excited for today's video. Like, some of the brands are so close to my heart. I can't even express my feelings, like how much overwhelmed I'm feeling. I'm getting a bit emotional, but yeah, that is it. This is what I love doing. This YouTube, Instagram is all of it what I love. So yeah, if you guys want to know what are the PR packages I have got and why I'm super excited, then please keep on watching. So guys, let's start with a bang. Yeah, let's start with a bang. And come on you guys, I made it to the KLAIRS package. Oh my goodness, that is my smile right there. And I'm super happy. This is a collaboration with KLAIRS. I'm so excited and so happy to see this. I mean, thank you so much KLAIRS for collaborating and giving me this opportunity. It's a big lifetime opportunity and I absolutely love this. Finally, I am here. You can see. Okay, let me just open it up and show you up close. So I've got the KLAIRS simple classic salted packaging, and here you can see my smile right there. You can see that smile. So yeah, the first one was this and I'm super happy. Thank you KLAIRS, thank you so much. Let's start with the skincare brand and let's start with Just Herbs. So Just Herbs sent me some of their products, skincare products, and there is a Sapta gel. This is a micellar water. Next they have sent this honey exfoliating face cleansing gel. It has a little bit of scrubs in it, so you have to be very gentle when you apply this. It smells super fresh you guys, very soothing, and I'm very excited to try this. Next I have received this Neem Pure face pack, Neem face pack. This is skin purifying Neem pack for all skin types. So I think you have to mix it with curd or water, something like this, and you have to use it on your face and keep it for some minute. So definitely I am going to try this one out. The next two products I have got from Just Herbs is a green tea toner, and this is the glow boosting facial oil which we have to use only at night time. So definitely looking forward to try these products. Thank you Just Herbs for sending this across. This is the KLAIRS gentle black deep cleansing oil, and this is a cleansing oil. It definitely removes dirt, makeup and impurities from your face. So if you guys don't know, KLAIRS is a Korean skincare brand and Korean skincare is so good. I think let's start using these products from today onwards and see how it actually does, what it actually does to my skin. So the first one was the deep cleansing oil. Next I have received the rich moist soothing serum. It's a serum, and let me just open it up. So guys, this is how the bottle looks like. It comes with a pump. I think this is in gel form. Yeah, I'm yet to try, but definitely looking forward to try this because I always wanted to try something from KLAIRS. Next up I have received the KLAIRS Rich Moist Foaming Cleanser. The next two products I have got is sheet mask. This is the soothing and moisturizing one, and this is the calming and cooling one. So thank you KLAIRS for sending this across. Next up, let's move on to the makeup. So the first thing I have received is from Pudire, and they have recently launched their secret lipsticks. These are called as Light Your Lips lipsticks, and definitely the packaging looks like cigarettes. This is the outer packaging. As you can see, it is very small. It retails for $8 each, and I have got 10 shades, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. As you can see, let me just show you up close. This is how the packaging looks like. As you can see, it definitely looks like cigarettes, and when you open this up, this is how the lipstick looks like. I really like the packaging. It's very sleek, travel friendly. So guys, next up I have got something from Galactic India, and they have sent me some of their mini liquid lipsticks, and here you can see these are the liquid lipsticks. Let me just quickly show you the packaging. So guys, this is how the mini packaging looks like. I have tried their full size one. I have reviewed them on my channel. They have sent me some of the new shades, and this is a dual-ended one as well. So I'm definitely going to do a swatch Instagram video, and if you guys want me to do a YouTube video as well, let me know in the comment section below. So thank you Galactic India for sending this across, and the bag is super gorgeous, you guys. This is from Glow Diva. It's time for the last pair package, and this is something is so exciting, and I'm so happy. I used to order all of this from Amazon, from their website, and I also used to order these from Mumbai. मेरे भैया भी जाते थे तो मैं उनको बोलती थी लेने के लिए, या फिर भैया के दोस्त को भी बोलती थी, and today I got it as a PR package, and I'm so happy. And guys, that is none other than PAC Cosmetics. They have sent me so many stuffs. Oh my god, I'm super happy, and let me just quickly show you what are the products I have received. So let's start with the first new launch. It's the Glitz and Glare Shimmer Powder. I have got 3 shades. They have 01 Blink Wing, they have 02 Frosted, and they have another shade called 03 Young Love. So I've got 3 of them. I actually bought the shade 01, and I'm wearing it right now, and it is a beautiful highlighter, you guys. Thank you so much PAC for sending this across. I am definitely going to include the 01 in my giveaway. Next thing I have received from PAC is their glitter eyeshadow palette. I have got 2 shades, 01 and 06. Let me just quickly open this up and show you up close. So guys, as you can see, this is a 06 Party Mix glitter eyeshadow palette, and this has beautiful bronze, golden, copper, blue and turquoise glitter. So here are the glitter shades from the palette 06, and this is the next palette, which is 01 Dark Secret, and this palette has silvers, 2 type of silvers, one shade of light champagne, there is brown, and there is beautiful you know, this bluish shade. And here are all the swatches, as you can see. Next I have received this PAC matte lip primer, and let me just see. I really like their Ziploc bags, which are really good, and this one retails for ₹625. I forgot to mention the price of the palette. The price of the palette is 1595 each. So guys, this is the lip primer by PAC Cosmetics. I'm yet to try all of this on myself, so I'm definitely going to do some review videos on this. I hope you guys will love it. Next up, I have got this gel liners from PAC Cosmetics, and these are the aqua black and this creamy rich brown shade. And yeah, I'm definitely going to try and review this. If you want a review, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely looking forward to try this out. Next, I have received their PAC Super Brow Eyebrow Cream. I have the shade 03, which is, let me just see, which is Walnut Wax. This is 03, and they have sent me 04, which is Burnt Umber. This is number 4, and this is number 3, which I bought earlier. So 04, I guess it's more of grey undertone, and the 03, which is more of brown, which I personally like. I am definitely going to use this, and if I don't like it, I am going to give it to someone who can definitely use it. Next up, I have received this Pure Hydration Gel. It is suitable for all skin types. It definitely moisturizes your face, and you can use it before applying makeup. Definitely looking forward to try this one as well. Then they have sent me this cleansing cream, Take It Off cleansing cream. It removes and dissolves makeup, maintains skin elasticity, slows skin aging, and it gives you moisturizing as well, soothing as well. So guys, the next product are these lipsticks from PAC. These are the soft matte cream lipsticks. I have got the shade from 15 to 25. Let me swatch 2 or 3 shades for you guys right now, and I will do a separate video of reviewing and swatching them. So let's start with the shade number 16. I think this is called Fancy. Oh my god, the packaging is bomb, you guys. It is so heavy and it feels luxurious. This is called 16 Fancy. It's a beautiful pink, by the way. The pigmentation, you guys, the pigmentation is bang on. It's beautiful. This is shade number Fancy 16, and the next one I'm going to swatch is number 22, which is Pep Talk. Oh my god, it's a beautiful neutral shade. Okay, the pigmentation is amazing. Guys, that is it. That was my unboxing of the PR packages. I am so happy, and thank you so much PAC and each and every brand who have sent me these products. Thank you so much. It means a lot, and thank you guys for all your support. Keep supporting me. I absolutely love you guys. And yeah, that is it. If you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.